I'm Jennifer and I'm so excited you're here. Today I'm going to be decorating for early spring. I'm super excited about it. It's such a beautiful time of year. I'm really glad you're here to join me. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I am taking down my Valentine decor and getting ready to decorate for early spring. I'll hang this beautiful eucalyptus wreath, and this will transition into the new season. Coming in my front door right off the front entryway, I've added this little bench from my guest room. It matches my dining room chairs perfectly, so I put it right out in the hallway outside the dining room. I added this really nice textured cozy cable knit throw and 2 linen pillows to coordinate in my nice neutral theme. Moving on down the hallway and my entryway, I've added these decor items to this cabinet. They coordinate so nicely with the picture above. There's just a hint of greenery to remind you of early spring. And in this large vase, I have more greenery for early spring. Now I'm on to the kitchen. I have just taken down my Valentine decor and I'm so excited and happy to add some cozy, warm, neutral items for early spring. It's too early in the season for flowers, but I do want to add some greenery for some warmth and coziness. These concrete flower pots will be the perfect touch in my kitchen. I love to add greenery that looks like it could grow naturally out in the wild. An adorable spring bunny will be perfect with this setting. And now one on the other side. To add more warmth to the kitchen, I'm going to add a large spoon rest made of marble with wood detail. A touch of wood on this side of the kitchen will add some more warmth with this simple cutting board. I'll include another cutting board to this side of the kitchen. On this buffet table in my breakfast area of my kitchen, I've added a green table runner just to add some more green and warmth into the kitchen, and these winter berries that'll carry on through spring. Also in the breakfast area, I just keep a couple of extra bar stools and a small table. This is great extra seating when we have a large gathering. I'm going to want to put a little bit more greenery here with a little interest, so I'm going to put this antique little basket vase that I got in Germany. This little duck will be the perfect addition to this table. To include some more cozy green, I'll just add a couple of decorative pillows to these bar stools. I'll bring even more green into my kitchen with these beautiful soft cotton sage green towels. Moving into my dining room, I replaced a couple of wintry scene pictures with these beautiful landscapes with wooden frames and a touch of green. On the dining room table, I've added a cotton sage green tablecloth with some lovely little succulents. Now let's move on to decorating this cabinet. I'm going to add some greens to incorporate some color and texture. A couple of nice neutral rabbits will really warm up the space. Moving on to the living room, I'll add more shades of green in soft, cozy textures. On my coffee table, I've placed a wooden tray with a nice weathered pot. It also has some lovely greenery. These rabbits are a really nice addition to the tray. In the corner of my living room, by the fireplace on this raised ledge, I'm going to add this large, natural colored rabbit. This was a gift from my husband from Home Goods. To the ledge on the other side of my fireplace, I've added this really large seagrass basket, and I filled it full of beautiful green ivy. This basket also hides all of the cable box wires. On this side table in my living room, I've added this wooden candlestick with some greenery, as well as a wooden photo frame and weathered lamp. This beautiful mud pie pottery dish was a gift from my friend Lisa. She also gifted me this lovely little stone with a Bible verse and the little bird. This verse reads, "Don't worry about anything. Instead, pray about everything." Philippians 4:6. To the side table of my leather chair, I'm going to put this beautiful little sheep and the little lamb. To the sofa in my living room, I've added some ivory colored pillow slip covers to some really nice plushy pillows and a coordinating soft cozy throw blanket. To my guest bathroom, I had some lovely green cotton towels. I rolled these up and put them in a basket on the vanity. They add such nice color and warmth to the bathroom. In my bedroom, I changed out all of the bedding to a nice light neutral shade for early spring. In the side chair beside my dresser, I've added 2 white, large, fluffy, down-filled pillows. I have a family photo in black and white, and in this large natural vase, I've added some lamb's ear greenery. I had so much fun decorating for early spring with all of the textures and warm neutrals and the beautiful, lovely greenery. The soft cotton bedding and beautiful accent pillows and throw blankets make my house extra cozy as we transition into spring. I'm so glad you're here, and I would really appreciate if you click the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.